Hello and welcome back to Free Spirit Yoga. I'm Sally and today is day 6 of the Samaritans 30-day yoga challenge. I think we should all be super proud of ourselves for getting this far. Let's keep going. So today we will be focusing on drawing our attention inwards. Yesterday we looked at finding our voice and expressing our truth, but to be able to express our truth, to speak our truth, then we need to know what our truth is. And to do this we need to learn to turn our attention, our focus inwards. So all of the asanas that we're practicing today, we're going to be practicing with our eyes closed. I want you to close your eyes during the asanas and just feel how you feel internally. Feel your body. Keep your attention on your breath, the sensations that you feel. Okay, let's get started. But before we do, if you haven't donated yet, then please go to my Facebook page or my Just Giving page, which the details are in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. If you like this video, please like it. Maybe even leave a comment. That would be fantastic. I would love that. Okay, let's get started. We're going to begin today's session in a standing position. So come to stand in mountain pose with your feet about hip distance apart, standing up straight and tall. I'm going to close our eyes and we're going to draw our focus, our attention to our breath. Initially, without trying to change our breath or control it in any way, just noticing our breath. Also, what I want you to focus on is what we call your third eye. Okay, imagine the space in between your eyebrows, and with your eyes closed, focus on that spot. That's what we call our third eye. So we're focusing on our breath, we're also looking towards the space between our eyebrows, our third eye. For our pranayama, our breathing practice this session, we're going to practice a breath called humming bee breath, which is really good for drawing the attention inwards. What I want you to do is just bring your first fingers up to your ears, and we're going to close off our ears. Don't do it quite yet. We're going to breathe in through our nose with our eyes closed, still focusing on our third eye. We're going to inhale through the nose, and then we're going to exhale through the nose, but we're going to make a humming sound like this. A bit like the chanting yesterday. And as we do that, we're going to close off our ears, so we're completely closing off the outside world and really drawing our focus inwards. So getting ready to close your ears, focusing on your third eye, breathing in, and okay, and again, keeping your eyes closed, focusing on your third eye. Inhale and exhale with humming bee breath. Once more. Inhale focus on your third eye and your breath. Every time we come back to a resting position today, I want you to focus on your third eye, remembering keeping your eyes closed. Okay, we're going to try and keep our eyes closed as much as we can throughout this session. So, standing in mountain pose, eyes closed, we're going to inhale and exhale, bring our palms together into prayer position. Now, keeping your eyes closed, we're going to inhale, reach our arms up, keeping our palms together, bringing our head back, really reaching our fingertips up for the ceiling. Now again, keeping your eyes closed, we're going to come into a forward fold. So remember, we're going to exhale as we reach forwards, reaching forwards, and then down. Remember, bend your knees as much as you need to bring your tummy to your thighs, your fingertips to the mat either side of your feet. Just let your head hang, your neck relax. Keep your eyes closed. Just feel internally what you can feel in your body as you're in this asana, in this forward fold. Keeping your eyes closed, reaching forwards, reaching your arms up towards the ceiling, and then exhaling your arms down by your side. Keeping your eyes closed, focus on your breath, focus on your third eye. Now step your feet a little bit further apart, about shoulder distance apart, your toes pointed slightly out. Keep your eyes closed as you inhale and bring your fingertips onto your shoulders, your elbows are out to the side. We're going to practice that twist that we practiced the other day with our eyes closed. We're going to exhale, twist to the left. Trying to keep the lower body facing forwards, just twisting the upper body, turning your head towards your left shoulder. Try to keep the elbows out to the side. Inhale, come back to the front, and then exhale, twist to the right. Again, just keeping your eyes closed, feeling your internal sensations, noticing what you feel in your body and where, noticing areas of tension. Inhale back to the front, and then exhale to the left. Inhale back to the centre, exhale to the right. Inhale back to the centre, and now exhale your arms down, keeping your eyes closed. We're going to bring our hands onto our hips, keeping our feet about shoulder distance apart. We're going to make circles with our hips. Again, remember, eyes closed. And circle your hips back the other way. Coming back to a central position. Again, we're going to bring our hands into prayer position at our heart center. We're going to practice now a pose called squat and rise. Again, Keeping the eyes closed, we're going to exhale. Squat down, slowly lowering yourself down, trying to keep your back straight. We're exhaling as we do so. And then we're going to inhale, straighten our legs again, rising back up. Again, exhale, squat. Inhale, rise. Exhale, squat. Inhale, rise. Good, one more. Exhale, squat. Inhale, rise. Okay, releasing your hands back down by your side. Bringing your feet now about hip distance apart, keeping your eyes closed. We're going to lean forward, place our hands on our knees and make circles with our knees. And then going back the other way. Circling your knees, keeping your eyes closed, keeping your focus internal. Okay, and coming back to a standing position. Just stand in Tadasana Mountain Pose for a few moments, focusing on your breath. Focusing on your third eye. Okay, now we're going to come down to tabletop position on the mat. So you might want to open your eyes for this, but try to keep your gaze soft. Try to keep your focus internal. So now in tabletop position, we're going to close our eyes and we're going to practice the cat-cow stretch. We're going to exhale round our back, tucking our head under. And then we're going to inhale, dip our belly and bring our head back as if we're looking up to the ceiling, but of course we're keeping our eyes closed. Exhale to the cat, re-rounding your back, inhaling to the cow. Just keep on moving at your pace, coordinating your movement with your breath. Keeping your focus internal, just noticing how your body feels as you make this movement. To tabletop position, keeping your eyes closed, walk your hands forward, keeping your arms straight, keeping your hands about shoulder distance apart, keeping your hips above your knees. We're going to bring our forehead to the mat. This is called puppy pose. Keep your eyes closed. You should feel a good stretch in your shoulders and your upper back and your chest. Okay, now coming to lay on your tummy on the mat with your legs together. We're going to cross our arms like this. You can just briefly look to see what I'm doing, opening your eyes to see what I'm doing. And we're just going to rest our third eye, that space between our eyebrows, on this point on our wrist, so that's pushing in to our third eye. And this is the position that we're going to remain in for the rest of the session. So closing your eyes, focusing on your breath, focusing on your third eye, feeling the pressure of the wrists pushing against your third eye. Just completely relax. This is called Crocodile Pose. This is one of my favourite relaxation poses. Slowly onto your side and gently pushing yourself up to a seated position. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining me for day 6. Okay, and tomorrow will be day 7. Looking forward to it. Tomorrow's going to be a very relaxing session, practicing some yin yoga. I look forward to seeing you then. Remember, if you haven't donated, please go to my Facebook page or my Just Giving page. There's a cat behind me. He's called Tibble. And make a donation to the Samaritans. If you haven't yet liked this video, please do so. Please leave a comment in the comments below. I say I would really love that. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.